Hello everybody, my name is Marin and today we're going to be making a green juice. Now juicing is an amazing practice that will give you amazing health benefits if you do it regularly. When you juice, you extract all the fibers from fruits and vegetables and you leave in a concentrated, dense form all the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that we can get out of these foods. It's going to take a lot to eat 5 apples, but with 5 apples you can make 1 cup of juice and get all those nutrients without having to eat 5 apples and overstuffing yourself. You also want to be sure that when you are juicing, you're not mixing it with any fats or high starchy foods. You want to do this first thing in the morning ideally because the juice is going to process and digest a lot faster than any of your other foods. You want that juice to go down so that your body can absorb the sugars and the nutrients and also cleanse out the system as it does before eating or mixing it with any other food. So first thing in the morning is the best. So what you're going to need for this recipe is some greens. If you're not a green person, I recommend using spinach. I'm going to be using kale today. It's got a little bit more of a bitter taste. Some celery, carrots, and apples. You're also going to need a juicer. You don't have to have a Champion juicer like mine. You can have a nice little centrifugal juicer. You can typically get these for as low as $50. So grab your juicer, plug it in, and let's go. When it comes to juicing, the first thing you want to do is you want to juice the drier ingredients first and finish off with the higher water content ingredients. So we're going to start with the greens, the carrots, and then probably celery and apple last. There's no real wrong way to do it. Make sure you read your juicer manual. I'm going to start this. You're going to see a flicker in the lights and some noise, and we're just going to juice this all up. So that's it. It's pretty simple. We've got our nice juice here. All we need to do is pour it in a glass and drink. Cheers. Oh, it was so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video making this green drink. My name is Marin, and I'll see you again next time.